Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope everybody is safe and healthy at your place. Dear students, I welcome you all for our first session, chemistry chapter, that is first. The chapter name is Matter in Our Surrounding. Dear students, let us know the meaning of the title of this chapter, that is Matter in Our Surrounding. So, to know about that, we need to understand the term surrounding first. Do you know what is the meaning of the word surrounding? Just think. Yes, surrounding can be anything that is around us, like air, cloud, building, water bodies, etc. Those all are our surrounding. Do you know that all things that surrounds us called as matter? Now, let's study what is matter. Anything around us that has some mass and occupies a certain space when we keep it in is called as matter. Now we know the surrounding. Let's understand much more about the matter and its properties and much more. Matter and its classification. Now dear students, let's understand matter and its classification. Let me explain you here. Matter can be anything that occupies a space and has some mass. Mass means here a weight. When you go for a grocery shop, when you ask for 1 kg sugar, here 1 kg is mentioned as a mass. And to carry that sugar, do you take in the hand and come? No, they will give you in carry bags, or you will carry a bag. Am I right? So the sugar, it has a mass, that is a weight, and it occupies the cover of the bag. It occupies the space. So mass may be a small or more, it doesn't matter. Likewise, we have a LPG cylinder, that is a cooking gas cylinder. Although it is filled with the air only, liquefied petroleum gas is nothing but LPG, but still it is too heavy. So that is also matter, as it has a mass and occupies a space. Simple example, take of your birthday balloon. When you fill the air in the balloon, it will occupy its space. Understood? And also air has a weight. Even air is a matter. If you see around, you will find that everything surround us is a matter. Dear students, now you understood what is surrounding as well as matter. Now let's study about classification of matter. Classification of matter. Earlier, when matter was classified, then the ancient scientists said that matter was made up of the 5 basic elements called air, fire, earth and water, and the sky. These 5 components are called as Panchatattva. You have heard about your elder people, what they will say, Panchabhuta, Panchatattva, all you have heard when you are in the childhood. Those 5 elements are nothing but air, fire, earth, water and the sky. But with the advancement in the field of science, it was conducted that matter can be classified on the basis of 2 main properties, that is physical and chemical. And therefore, there are 2 main categories of the matters. Dear students, there are mainly two classification of matter are there. The first one is chemical classification. The first one is chemical classification. And the second one is physical classification. Dear students, now let's study and understand what is chemical classification. It is done on the basis of physical properties, that is the properties that we can see like rigidly, color, etc. Now you can see a milk, it is white in color and it is in the liquid state. So this is called as physical classifications. Now let's study about the chemical classification. It is done on the basis of the chemical composition of a matter. That means what kind of particles are present in the composition, how they react with each other. If they do not react, then why so? Let's do some activities. Dear students, in this first session of matter in our surrounding, I am going to give you one activity. So dear students, you know the chemical classification and physical classification. Before winding up this session, I would like to give you an activity. That is activity 1.3 at your textbook, it is there. Okay. Here, if we consider about the motion of particles, actually you have to think how motion of the particles moves. So for this activity, you have to need few things, that is one stand, one incense stick. Incense stick is nothing but the agarbatti, and matchbox. You should do this 1.3 activity and send it to my personal number, that is 9380732113. Okay, note my personal number and send it to me. Till then, take care, be safe, be healthy. Bye.